Alright guys! Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chris Life USA! Alright! For today's video, what is our for today's video?
Oh, Costco.
Oh!
And church. Church first, then Costco.
Church. Going to church. We're on the way to going to church. That's our for today's video. Going to church. And then, after going to church, Costco!
Our gas store.
Our gas store.
Our clothing store. Our food store. Our household item store. Our appliance store. Our things we don't need store.
Things we don't need store. That's Costco. Oh, that's gonna be fun today.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Well, we're not spending a whole lot of money today.
You never know. We'll see.
If
We'll
it's
see.
not written on the list, we're not putting it in the card.
So, yun na nga guys. We're on our way to church first. Of course, every Sunday we do go to church every Sunday. Every Sunday, as long as we are here in Arizona. Pwera na lang pag kami ay nagta-travel. So, that is our goal. Go to church every Sunday. Walang paltas, walang absent. Basta nandito lang kami sa Arizona. Alright, so that's our for today's video. Okay, so that's our for today's video. Woohoo! And konting kalaman. Just a little bit of facts about here in our area. Do you know guys that here in our area, especially in this highway right here right now, how many car wash do we have?
There's got to be half a dozen at least in a 10-mile stretch.
Can you believe that guys? We have car wash. We have so many car wash right in this area here. Like every mile, every 2 miles probably.
Yes.
Car wash. Oh my God.
Crazy.
Crazy, crazy. Alright. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa church. Going to church.
Let's go to...
Alright. Our first stop is, there's our church. Show our church. Yeah. Alright. Nag-copy muna ng si Habi ng kanyang pang lesson. Mag-Bible lesson kasi siya. So nag-copy muna siya ng kanyang mga gamit-gamit ba. And for today's forecast, God reigns and the sun shines. Oh, diba? So yun na nga guys. Palabas na tayo sa ating church. So, ayan, naka-church na tayo. Ayan. O, diba? So, next stop naman natin ay Costco because we need to buy something. Alright, guys. Hindi ko na sa inyo pinakita yung yung loob ng church kasi for privacy reasons. Alright, alam niyo naman ng mga tao dito sa Amerika. Alright, see you in a bit sa Costco. Costco time. Ayun, may name tag pa ako. Okay, here we go guys. Alright. Costco time. Costco. So, nandito na tayo. Shopping na. Shopping.
I'm gonna go look at the gift card. See
Huh?
if they have a Southwest gift card.
Ah, okay. Wow, babe, oh. Thomasville. Ang ganda, oh. Alright, guys. Nandito na tayo sa Costco.
Take the kids to breakfast if you think they're going to want to go over easy.
Oh, when?
Well, we'll take the girls.
I am waiting. So whoever's here. But I'm not going to wait long, Laura.
Oh, sarap, sarap. Special event, candy and chocolate company, dipped apple. So, I got separated na from my husband, guys. Oh. Ewan ko kung saan na siya. Basta ako nandito na ako. Shopping, shopping. Looking lang. Minsan may nabibili, minsan wala din. Oh, ayan. Alright guys, tapos na kaming mag-shopping. Oh my God, ang daming tao sa Costco. Lots of people in Costco, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Oh, dami namin pinamili kasi para sa balikbayan box at saka para sa upcoming na road trip. Oh, ayan, daming tao ngayon. Binili kami na gift card para sa restaurant, so kailangan niya i-pick up yung card mismo, pero bayad na yon. Alright, ano kayang lalapangin natin dito, guys? Ang daming lapangin, pero hindi ako gutong, guys, so uwi siguro kami at doon ako lalapang sa bahay. We're done.
We're done.
So, mag-check out na kami. Oh my God, ang daming tao. Oh my God, hindi na ako I did not get my favorite chicken bake.
Did you want a chicken bake?
No. No, I'm gonna cook my chicken livers. Chicken livers.
I'm gonna have pizza.
Wow! Yeah! Yeah, I remember we have a lot of pizza in the fridge. Aha! Maybe I'll have a pizza. Alright, checking out. No, we already checked out. We just getting out of the store. Pero tine-check pa rin nila yung mga items at saka ang aming mga receipt. Ganyan dito sa Costco. Alright, nakalabas na kami, guys. Ang haba ng lista. Haba ng lista.
The next morning.
Babe, can you turn down the volume for now? Turn down the volume for now because I'm doing my vlog. Not gonna take long. See, hinintay ako ng husband ko, guys, kasi alam niya na magpukas ako ng My husband is very supportive, guys. I told him to turn down the volume of the TV, and then he did. And then he totally turned off, and he said he's going to. Oh my goodness. Okay, there you go. Para sa ating racket. Okay, so this is the drinking water filters replacement set that we ordered in Amazon, because every year, guys, ay pinapalitan namin itong aming drinking water reverse osmosis na tangke dito sa underneath the sink. So that's why I ordered that. Kasi it's very cheap in Amazon. If you order it in Amazon, rather than just buy something from the professional guys, professional people that doing the service every year. So once a year, siniservice namin itong aming drinking faucet. Ito. Yan. Kasi alam niyo na dito sa Arizona, kailangan talaga ay meron kang reverse osmosis for the drinking water. So, and then this one here ay naubos na kasi, it comes with two. Naubos na kasi yung yung order ko dati, and nagustuhan ko siya, and mura lang siya, and it takes a while to finish. So kapag naglilinis ako ng toilet, ginagamit ko siya. Ang isa nito, dinala ko na sa Pilipinas kasi kailangan ko ng Unistone doon. It's very good for cleaning the ceramics and the toilet bowl. So I ordered this one. And so it comes with two. Dalawa sila. So that's good. Kasi kailangan ko na talaga. And then mas mura kasi guys pag sa online ako magbili. So mas makakamura. So yan ang mga laman ng ating box ngayon, guys. Alright, and then ito dalawa ang binili ko. There is two pieces, two different filtration inside. So kailangan pa natin buksan kasi dumating dito yung isang araw yung nagre-replace nito, kasi meron talaga kami yung service guy yung punta dito na every year na nagsi-service ng aming water tank, aming water heater, and all kinds of plumbing inspection. So he does that every year. So ito ito yung laman ng box. Dalawa. So, yep. This is the product details: sediment water filter cartridge, and then the carbon black filter cartridge, and then the sediment cartridge filter. So, hindi naman tayo marunong mag-install niyan, kaya hintayin natin yung lalaki. Taga Aqua Essence. And then this one here, guys, ay para ito sa aking buhok na naglalagas. Kaya kailangan talaga. At saka mura din ito sa Amazon. Binili ko kasi very siya. Ang ganda ng review. So bagong to, guys, bagong product ng Head and Shoulder. So si MJ, ganitong ginagamit. So, itry ko itong gamitin sa buhok ko. It comes with dalawang package. Ganda ng lagayan niya. Tapos, this one daw ay very yan. Madali daw madaling, the bottle is eco bottle, and you have 45% less plastic. Alam naman dito sa USA, sa Amerika. We are all concerned about Mother Nature. So, this is daw ito, madali siyang ma-dispose yung plastic. And then, about the product is made in USA. Head and Shoulder also, Bear. Ewan ko kung meron nito sa Pilipinas, but this is soothing hydration and clinically proven and very minimal lang ang ingredients nito. So kasi kailangan ko talaga ng madami akong mga very dry, itchy ang hair ko, ang ulo ko guys. So, kailangan ko talaga ng mga ganito kasi very dry yung hair, yung scalp ko, tapos oily pa. So yan. So ito yung binili ko. This is our unboxing video. Unboxing video. So thank you guys sa panonood guys. Alright. Thank you so much.